Hey guys, it's me, not Aneela. I'm Aneela's husband, Pranav. So far, you would have seen the 3 juicing recipes that Aneela shared in her recent video. I hope you were inspired and motivated to juice more. It's been 4 years since Aneela and I have been juicing together, and we have seen so many benefits. I was the one who motivated us to get into this habit of juicing. We have committed ourselves to juicing 3 to 4 times a week, and we have seen only benefits from it. So now I would like to share 5 juicing tips, and hopefully these tips will make your juicing life much easier. Tip number 1, get the right juicer. In getting the right juicer, 2 things you need to consider is the technology of the juicer and the price point. So the first kind of juicer is a centrifugal juicer. Some people also call it a high-speed juicer. High-speed juicers are popular because they are fast, they are affordable, they're easy to clean, and they remove majority of the pulp from the juice. It's perfect for beginners, somebody who's always on the go and doesn't have much time to spend on the cleaning. Masticating juicers, or the slow press juicer, some people also call it the cold press juicer, is a little bit more expensive and requires more time, not just to prep the juice, but also to juice and then to clean up the juicer afterwards. They also produce a lot more pulp. Its masticating technology, which is very close to a mortar and pestle, can produce a very high quality of juice even from the leafy greens, sprouts, herbs, and even nuts. It's perfect for those who don't mind spending a little bit of time and money, but who care about maximizing the nutrients that they get in their juice and who prefer a quieter juicer. Tip number 2, start simple. You don't need expensive or exotic materials to start juicing. Prep all your materials. Wash all your veggies and fruits and cut them to size in order to fit the mouth of your juicer. Tip number 3, drink your juice ASAP. Like most things, juice is best consumed when it's fresh. You wouldn't want all those fruits and veggies to lose their potency. You don't need to drink your juice like a shot of tequila, but you also don't want to leave it lying there while you're doing something else. If you need to take your juice on the go, you can store it in an airtight container. Tip number 4, don't wait to clean your juicer. No matter what kind of juicer you have, especially the slow juicer, don't leave it for later in the day. Believe me, there is nothing more annoying to come home to a crusty, dried up juicer with all the residual pulp inside it. Tip number 5, enjoy the juicing adventures. It's okay to make mistakes. We all do when we are learning something new. Try experimenting with new ingredients. It's okay to try different recipes. Don't be hard on yourself if you make a mistake. And learn and share your recipes with us. Hope you like this. Share it, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye. It's okay to try different recipes. As you enjoy the journey, so will you enjoy the destination.
As you will enjoy the journey, so will you enjoy the destination. You're so cute.